CIC April 6, 2018. Word meaning skills. 1. London shut her eyes. She couldn't bear to see the bear chowing down on all of their food in the garbage can. The underlined word means A, to be able to emotionally stand something. B, a large furry animal. C, to have a child. Number 2. Gustavo's boss told him he would need to change or he would get fired. He couldn't even count out correct change for his customers. The underlined word means A, to exchange one thing for another. B, to make different. C, money that is owed back after a purchase in a store. 3. The Meadows family wanted to adopt a pet dog, so they headed to the pound to find a homeless puppy. What is the meaning of the underlined word? A, to run with heavy steps. B, to beat with a strong rhythm. C, a way to measure weight. D, a place where stray animals are taken. Dictionary entries, page 2 of your CIC. The first card is the word light. Springtime brings more hours of sunshine each day. The sun brings warmth and light, which makes the plants begin to grow again. Animals return from migration and come out of hibernation. Read the dictionary entry below. Light. 1. A pale, soft color. 2. Opposite of dark. 3. Lamp. 4. Set on fire. Which meaning of light was used in the paragraph? Meaning 1, meaning 2, meaning 3, meaning 4. Circle your answer. Number 2. Jimmy. Jimmy was ready to give up. Subtraction just did not make any sense. But his favorite teacher, Mr. Morris, had encouraged him to stick with it. So he kept working. Finally, he thought he was getting it. He couldn't wait to show Mr. Morris. Read the dictionary entry below. Stick. 1. To stay with. 2. A small branch broken from a bush or tree. 3. To pierce or puncture. 4. To fasten or attach. Which meaning of stick was used in the paragraph? Meaning 1, meaning 2, meaning 3, or meaning 4. Card number 3. Callie wants to have Sarah come over to her house. They plan to play all afternoon, then go to their favorite restaurant for dinner. Now she just needs to convince her mom. Read the dictionary entry below. Play. 1. A production on stage. 2. To act a part. 3. Do an activity for fun. 4. A pun. Which meaning of play was used in the paragraph? Meaning 1, meaning 2, meaning 3, or meaning 4. Circle your answer. Page 3 of your CIC. What does the underlined word with a prefix or suffix mean it is used in the sentence? Card number 1. Useless. My broken umbrella is useless, so I will have to buy a new one. What is the meaning of useless? A. Having many uses. B. Having no use at all. C. Used less than before. Card number 2. Preview. It's a good idea to preview the directions on a test. A. To look at ahead of time. B. To look at afterwards. C. To see something again. Preview. Card number 3. Untied. All of the trash fell out when the bag came untied. The word untied means A. Tied again. B. Not tied. C. Tied very tightly. Card number 4. Joyful. The parents were joyful over the birth of their new baby. Joyful could mean A. Not feeling any joy. B. Feeling less joy. C. Filled with joy.